Welcome everybody to today's lesson about circles. Today we're going to be focusing on the equation of a circle. Much like the equation of a line or the equation of a parabola, a circle also has an equation. It is described by this equation here. It is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. This tells me that the center of the circle is at the point h, k, and has a radius of r. Let's look at how that plays out with some numbers. Please scroll down to examples 6 and 7. We're asked to write the equation of a circle with the given center and radius. So, with this given center, I will say it is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 0 squared equal to 7 squared. Now, this can be simplified to be x minus 5 squared plus y squared equals 49. There you have an equation of a circle. Let's look at yet another example. What if my center is AB rather than two numbers? Nothing changes. My center goes with the x and the y, so x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals 4 root 3 squared. Simplifying, I get x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals, now remember when I square 4 root 3, I square 4 and I square root 3. This gives me a total of 48. Alright, what if we work backwards? We are given the equation of a circle and we need to find the center and the radius. Alright, here we go on question number 8. The center should be at negative 2, 3. The x value is negative because typically I am going to subtract the x value. So if I subtracted negative 2, I would end up with a positive 2 in the equation. So I end up just flipping the sign when I take it to the center. So again, my center is negative 2, 3, and my radius would be 5. Remember, I need to take the square root of 25. For question 9, the center here should be at 0, 0, since I'm not adding or subtracting anything to the x and y value. And my radius here is going to have to be the square root of 7. Alright, let's look at how to graph the equation of a circle. This is a bit of a typo. This should be to the second power, not multiplied by 2. So, let's rewrite our equation. I've got x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 16. That tells me that my center is at the point 3, negative 4, and my radius is 4. So, I'll go over to my graph. It's difficult to see, but we'll approximate. Our center is at 3, 1, 2, 3, and negative 4. Once I've plotted the center, I simply need to go 4 units in each direction. So I'll go 4 units up, 4 units to the right, and this is all from the center, 4 units down, and 4 units to the left. And I can connect all my points to create my circle. Voila!
That was easy.
On to our last example. Question number 11. I'm given a point and the center of the circle. I need to find the equation. Now remember, to find the equation of a circle, I need the center, which was given to me, 0, 3, but I also need the radius, which I don't have in this equation. So, I need to find it. Remember, the distance from the center to the edge of the circle is the radius. If only I knew a way to find the distance between 2 points. That's right, we do. The distance formula. Let's use it. So, I need to find the distance between the center and the point. So, I'll do 0 minus 3, which is negative 3 squared, plus 3 minus 1, which is 2 squared. So I get 9 plus 4, which is equal to the square root of 13. So my radius now is the square root of 13. Let's go ahead and plug this into an equation. X, since it's x minus 0, I'll say x squared plus y minus 3 squared equals the square root of 13 squared, which is simply 13. There's my final answer. All right, folks, now it's your turn to try. I'd like you to flip to the page that says 9-6 notes. 11-6 notes about the equation of a circle. I'd like you to plot the points and connect the dots. Use the distance formula as a review, and then practice 2 questions at the end about finding the center and radius of a circle. Hope you enjoyed the lesson about circles today. Come to class ready to ask questions. That's all for now.